Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get a cinematic backgrounds on your phone in just a few simple steps. Let's jump right in. So there are many apps that will help you to generate a stunning cinematic backgrounds. You can use a Zedge, Wally, backdrops, or even AI wallpaper generators like Bing AI, Artbreeder, or Canva AI. Simply search for cinematic or movie style wallpapers in these apps. Then, download a 4K cinematic wallpapers. You can also search online for a free 4K cinematic wallpapers. Websites like a Pixels, Unsplash, or Wallpaper Access offer a higher resolution backgrounds for free. Always choose a high resolution images to keep your phone looking sharp and professional. Then, edit your own cinematic background. If you want to customize, you can use apps like Lightroom Mobile, Snapseed, or PixArt. Adjust the color grading, the contrast, blur, or give it a cinematic feel. Deep colors, dramatic lighting, and soft backgrounds work best. And once you have a cinematic image, go to your phone settings and select the wallpaper and set it for your home screen or lock screen. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you have now a stunning cinematic backgrounds right on your phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips. Thanks for watching.